Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean here. Just got 2 packages in the mail. Let me start with this one that's a little bit more difficult because I don't want it to show the name. This is my Smith & Wesson Karambit. I don't know when was the last time I honed this. You're probably going to see me struggle opening this a little bit. There is an easier way to open the package, but I just don't want to show the name of the person that sent me the package. So I'm opening it this way. Well, not the name, I just don't want to show the address. So, there you guys go. That's the name of who sent me this. A Texan Shaves, Barry. You guys should check him out. He's awesome. Man, these stickers, this is the first time I've seen them in person. Menthol. Okay. Wow. This is really nice, Barry. This is really nice. I had a cheap one, like a Chinese one, but this is gonna remove the little Chinese one that I had. That's really nice, Barry. Lone Star Texan Shaves. You guys need to check out Barry. Texan Shaves. And then he also hooked me up with good packing peanuts, so for my honing videos I can use packing peanut now. So we got Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, Cyclo Trade 24 millimeter. I'm Puerto Rican, I can't say that word. Perihelion knot hybrid synthetic brush. Hopefully I said it the correct way, and hopefully you guys have a good view here. Cyclo Trade since 2012. The packaging is really cool. I know this is a vampire, but for some reason this whole packaging is giving me like George Romero vibes, like zombie movie vibes, which is cool. All right. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Look at this. Wow. Oh, that's very nice. Very soft. Who said synthetic brushes aren't as soft as Badger brushes? Wow. So I'm excited to try this. Hopefully, I think in my next shaving video, I'll try to turn down the lights, because I think this glows in the dark. Pretty sure it does. That is beautiful. And just the right size. Alright, I am stoked. I'm stoked for this, and I gotta figure out a place where to put these, because these are awesome, Barry. I like what you're doing, man. Let's put this in here. Actually, I'm gonna put this in here because I'm gonna keep it nice. I've been doing that. I've been keeping the boxes. My partner isn't too happy about me keeping boxes like that, but it is what it is. All right, let's move this over here, making sure no address is shown. And this is the other box. I do the same thing. I take boxes like this, and I put them inside these packages. These packages are they give them to you for free, and the rate is flat. It's like $9-10, and you just gotta make sure that it fits. And this guy did a crafty little thing. I don't mind that at all. The shipping is very expensive. So if the vendor finds a way to send me something, excuse me, and they can save money, I don't mind them doing this. What is it, guys? What do you guys think it is? All right. can just slide this off. Okay. That's interesting. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay. And all thanks to Eric the Cajun Blade. I feel like I'm mentioning him in every video, but he's just helped me out a ton this year. And he saw this, and I think he was gonna get it, but he said, you know what, Sean probably needs this more than I do. It's a La Lorraine. No, it's not. So I've never actually worked with these boxes before, but this is a Coticule. I can tell that this side is a BBW. Pretty sure that's BBW. Smells like BBW. And then we got the Coticule side, and it has a pretty good amount of life here. This is an 8x2 Coticule, and I was looking for an 8x2 for a while now because I have my 5x3, and that was pretty quick. But with this amount of space, you know, it's gonna count my laps in half. So it's gonna cut my laps in half. So, and my 5x3 is already so quick, you know, because you're honing, you don't have to switch between stones. You just add a little bit of water. It's pretty quick. Well, now it's even quicker. So maybe in the future I'll do a bevel set to finish in like 3 minutes video, and then we'll do a shave. But yeah, thank you, Eric, for sending me this. I got it for a good price. I will not say what price I got it, but you know how expensive Coticules are. And it's in good conditions. I'm looking here at the it doesn't need any glue here. Doesn't need any glue here. Over here it has, I don't know what that is, but it doesn't seem like it's too bad. And then you have a lot of Coticule life over here, and over here it's thinner, but this will last me a lifetime if I don't drop it. So yeah, just wanted to unbox this with you guys. I've already taken 8 minutes of your time. Let's see where I can fit this, if I can fit it somewhere. And then let's look at the box real quick. I'm not a fan of the box. Yeah, not a fan of the box. But it fits right in. Alright. Put that there. If anybody wants me to hone this razor and shave with it, let me know. I can probably do that. This is a Spanish point razor that I got for a pretty good price. So yeah, just let me know. The scales are a little wonky because they close like that, I don't know, and then it opens like that, super crazy, super fast. But yeah, I can shave with this if you guys are interested. Maybe I can do a honing video, honing this up. I just need to check the bevel angle for it. It might need tape, it might not need tape, I don't know. Depends on how good of a freehand sharpener I am. But yeah, good Spanish point. And it was NOS, and I got it for a good price. I think under $50 for a NOS razor. And what is this? Is this like a 8x8, 7x8? I don't know. It's smaller here on the tip, but over here on the toe, it's a little bit bigger. So, anyways, enough of your time. That's already 10 minutes in. So, have a good one. All right, that looks good.